I beg a difference.
Excuse me, sir. What's your opinions on gay marriage?
That's gay. That's bad.
Gay, you say?
Yes, they're very bad.
So no anal sex for you tonight, sir?
No. Never.
Not even for me?
No.
I mean, seriously, look at me. My wet hair because of the fucking rainy shit. You know that you want this, sir.
No.
Please?
Nah.
Where's from? Gay marriages.
What's your opinion on gay marriage?
Lesbians are nice. Gay people are nice.
You're flashing me! Look out.
Fuck. You saved my life, Gino.
Oh my god, they have a dog.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's sitting in the front.
Good one.
Let's go watch the movie.
What?